In the 1990s, a college student helps build a web browser. A few years later, he's worth millions. Then he does it again. And again. Most people think Marc Andreessen got lucky once, but he didn't. He built his fortune by understanding one thing early: technology changes fast, and ownership changes lives. Marc Andreessen co-created one of the first widely used web browsers at a time when most people didn't even understand the internet. That browser became Netscape, and when Netscape went public in 1995, it exploded. On the first day of trading, its stock price nearly doubled. Andreessen was in his early 20s. That IPO didn't just make him wealthy, it showed him how powerful equity could be. Most people chase high salaries. Andreessen chased ownership. There's a difference. Salary pays you once. Equity pays you when the company grows. He didn't just work in tech. He owned pieces of it. After Netscape, he co-founded another company that later sold to eBay for billions. Again, ownership. Again, equity. But here's the key shift. He realized building companies was powerful, and investing in them early could be even more powerful. So he co-founded a venture capital firm. Instead of building one company at a time, he started investing in many, early, before they were obvious. They invested in companies like Facebook, Twitter, Airbnb, and others while they were still growing. When those companies scaled, their early ownership multiplied. One good bet can change everything. Several good bets can build a fortune. Think about the math. Imagine investing $1 million into a company that later becomes worth $100 billion. If you own even 1% early on, that stake can grow into billions. That's the math of venture investing. High risk, massive upside. Andreessen wasn't earning a paycheck from these companies. He owned pieces of them. Thousands of engineers worked at major tech companies during the same boom. Many were paid well. Some even received stock. But very few invested at the earliest stages across multiple future giants. Same tech wave. Different level of ownership. Different outcome. This wasn't blind risk-taking. It was pattern recognition. Andreessen understood how platforms scale, how network effects work, and how software spreads globally at low cost. He wasn't betting randomly. He was betting on systems that could grow exponentially. People think billionaires get rich from one genius idea. More often, they get rich from early ownership and scalable businesses with massive upside. The mistake is focusing only on income. Wealth usually comes from equity. You don't need to start the next Netscape to apply the lesson. But you can understand the principle. Ownership and growing assets matters: stocks, businesses, equity. Andreessen's fortune wasn't built from trading quickly. It was built from owning pieces of companies that scaled. So here's the real question. Are you only earning money, or are you building ownership in things that can grow? Because that difference changes everything over time. This is Budget Boosters, where money is simple.